The Samsung Galaxy S23 series is expected to be unveiled in February next year at Galaxy Unpacked event. Samsung Galaxy S23 with new colors reportedly coming in February with the San Francisco event. The report then adds that the Unpacked event will be in San Francisco. The same details were provided in a report earlier this month, where it was said that the event would take place during the first 2 weeks of the month, which also had its Unpacked event in San Francisco. Galaxy S23 Ultra will have the best gaming performance on any flagship device thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. The Geekbench scores of this next-gen Qualcomm processor has recently shown up revealing its CPU capability, but most importantly Geekbench doesn't measure the graphic performance even though Qualcomm failed to surpass Apple in the CPU game, but now they have officially beaten Apple in terms of GPU power. Surprisingly 8 Gen 2 has a stronger GPU performance than the Apple's A16. In fact, not only the Qualcomm, but the future's MediaTek Damage the 9200 chip also has an impressive graphical power, that even left behind the Apple A16 Bionic. According to ICE Universe, the upcoming MediaTek Mali GPU is actually capable to achieve 328 FPS in the Geekbench off-screen test, while Apple's A16 on iPhone 14 Pro Max has an average score of 280 FPS. Now it's confirmed that Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 has slightly better GPU performance than the Dynasty 9200, meaning Galaxy S23 series will absolutely beat the iPhone 14 Pros powered with Apple's A16. Galaxy S23 Ultra has a bigger 3D Sonic Generation 2 fingerprint reader, an improved front-facing camera with OIS feature, faster Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and more durable glass protection for the display and the camera lenses. The biggest upgrade would be the 200-megapixel rear-facing camera sensor, though, which can take some amazing images. The smartphone will receive a 6.8 inches QHD Plus Dynamic AMOLED display that will have a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.